Today I will be discussing the American physiologist Walter B. Cannon and his contribution to science and medicine by investigating the concept of homeostasis. Walter Bradford Cannon was born on October 19, 1871, in Wisconsin. He came from a Calvinist family who were described as intellectually active, participating in reading material from great philosophers, anthropologists, historians, etc. Being surrounded by such an environment encouraged Cannon to pursue knowledge, and it was around this time that he had found a great interest in the works of Thomas Huxley, an English biologist, John Tyndall, an Irish physician, and many others. Cannon then went on to Harvard Medical School in 1896 and graduated in 1900. Soon after he started at Harvard, he began working in Henry Bowditch's lab. Henry Bowditch was an American soldier, physician, and dean of Harvard Medical School at the time. Working in Bowditch's lab gave Cannon his jump start in the field of physiology. After graduating from medical school, Cannon was hired as an instructor in the Department of Physiology at Harvard and taught there for 36 years. Cannon had made many significant contributions to physiology, including the use of salts of heavy metals in X-rays, the term fight or flight, wound shock, but perhaps his most important one was the development of the concept of homeostasis. Cannon developed the concept of homeostasis from an idea that Claude Bernard came up with in 1932 called milieu intérieur, sometimes called interior milieu. It is an idea that refers to the extracellular fluid, specifically the interstitial fluid, and its physiological capacity to ensure protective stability for the tissues and organs of multicellular organisms. Using Bernard's idea as a starting point, Cannon came up with 4 tentative propositions to describe what he called homeostasis. Number 1 says constancy in an open system, such as our bodies, requires mechanisms that act to maintain this constancy. Number 2 says steady-state conditions require that the tendency towards change automatically meets with factors that resist change. For example, an increase in blood sugar results in thirst as the body attempts to dilute the concentration of sugar in the extracellular fluid. Number 3 says the regulating system that determines the homeostatic state consists of a number of cooperating mechanisms acting simultaneously or successively. For example, blood sugar is regulated by insulin, glucagons, among other hormones that control its release and uptake. Number 4 says homeostasis does not occur by chance, rather it is the result of organized self-government. Overall, Cannon had made many great contributions to physiology and is regarded as one of the most respected scientists of all time.